All right, I want to welcome you to the coveted Shiloh Estates here out in East Odessa, Texas. Now we're at 58 Estates Drive with over 9,000 square feet on the property. It's absolutely amazing. Trust me, this is going to be one of the best properties you're going to see here in Odessa, Texas. As you pull through the gates here, one of the main things that's going to catch your eye is this beautiful water feature. And then as you pull around to the breezeway, you'll notice all of the great landscaping here in front of the house. All right, as you come in, you've got two wings to the house here. Here on my right and to your left is actually our formal dining area space here. It's a good area for you to be able to just come and relax with your family, have a good meal. And then as you come into the living area here, you've got a great fireplace with a mantle. And then one of my favorites here is also the bar off the living room. This house has two offices, and one of them is located right off the front entryway, right here. One of the nice features here is the bookcase with the rolling stairs, perfect for your office library. And also you have this beautiful chandelier, tall ceilings, and windows to see out into the front of the yard. Moving along this way, as we come out to the other wing of the house, we have the half bath here. One of my favorite features of this bathroom, if you come in here and you take a look, you always want to be clean, right? So look at this. From the bathroom, we come down the hall here, and we have our second office here on the right-hand side to your left. As we walk into the office here, I want to highlight the floors. These are maplewood hardwood floors, turquoise mosaic. And as you look at the floors here, it really gives this room a lot of character. Okay, so coming from the living room here to your right, we're going to have the primary ensuite. Now, as you walk in, one of the things that you're going to see are these beautiful French doors here that look directly out into the swimming pool area and your patio. It's very, very nice. On a summer day, you're going to be able to look out and see your oasis of a backyard. Then walking into the bathroom here, in this little foyer area here, one of the parts that I love about this is you actually have a little area here where you could put like your coffee bar or whatever it is that you need right here. That way you don't have to walk all the way back into the kitchen. You can have all your coffee, wake up in the morning and enjoy a good cup. And then you have, as you walk in here, his and hers. You've got your sink here, you've got your vanity. Really, really good storage, enough storage for whatever you need. Off of the bathroom area, you've got your closet. Tons of closet space. You've got your drawers here, and you've got a full-length mirror. All right, so remember what I said, this is a his and her bathroom? Well, actually, as you walk into the shower here, it actually loops around here onto the other side. And now as you come in here to the next section of the bathroom, you've got your nice vanity here. You've also got a little space here for you to be able to do your makeup, whatever you need to do in the morning. Perfect lighting here as well. And you've got your nice copper tub along with a beautiful fireplace. And now for the room that I know all of you ladies have been waiting for, the closet. And so I'm not gonna have any words here. I'm just gonna let you check it out for yourself. All right, so as you come out of the closet here, one of the great things is it actually puts you right here out into the mudroom. So whenever you're coming in after a long day, you just come right in. You don't want to see anybody else. You want to come in, relax, take off your clothes and change clothes. You can come right into your room. All right, so what's a home without a safe room, right? Because you got to have a spot for all of your guns, all your collector's items, and everything that is absolutely special and dear to you. So that's what we've got right in here. All right, so now we're gonna transition into the kitchen here. One of the things that I love as I walk into the kitchen is just how it just opens up in this area, right? You've got this wood barrel ceiling in here. And also as you walk through, we've got these double dishwashers. Now, absolutely awesome, check this out. Stored away in here. As you walk through here, you also have your copper sink as well. Then as you walk through the kitchen here, you've got your dining area here on the side, looking right out into your patio and to the pool area here. And one of my favorite features is this large island. All right, so this is perfect for entertaining. You could prep all of your food here. You can have people sitting here chatting with you as you get ready, or also if you're gonna have a great meal with your family here as well. All right, here you've got your commercial grade oven and range. This is a chef's dream, ready to make an exquisite meal for all of your family's needs. As you move on through this way, you've also got your pantry here, walk-in pantry, large pantry. And I know as we've been going through this kitchen, you're wondering, where is the refrigerator? Well, here it is here. All right, so extending off of the kitchen here, we've got one of my other favorite features of the home, which is gonna be your game room. All right, absolutely magnificent. You can put almost absolutely anything that you want in this area here. So you got your full bar area here, everything ready to go for what you need to have a good time. You got your ice maker, you got your sink, storage for all of your drinks and everything that you need. Also, this beautiful roll-up door here so you can see exactly into the patio and then see into the pool with exactly what's going on outside. Then off the kitchen here, you've got your enclosed patio. This is actually a great entertaining space here. If you remember, you've got your window there coming off the game room, and you've also got access off of the primary suite as well. Now, one of the things that I love is actually this fire pit here that's been put in, which is really nice on those cool summer nights. And then you've also have 2 TVs and surround sound located in this area as well. So whenever you've got folks in here, you can have a really, really good time. And now for one of my favorite parts of the house, the pool. You've got a saltwater pool here with a grotto and also a beautiful slide. So you can come out, you can lay out here on the beach front of the pool or take a dip in the deep end, whichever one fits your fancy. All right, so like I said, this is an entertainer's dream. I love this little area here in the backyard under this little tiki hut area. And you've also got a putting green right here on the back side of the house, so you can continue to practice on that short game. All right, and as we walk over here to the rest of the backyard, an amazing area that you're gonna love is gonna be this party barn area here. Now, this is over 3,200 square feet, where you're just gonna be able to do almost anything that you like. As you can see, the possibilities are endless in here. But the last seller here, they actually had a bar in this area, which is very, very nice. Okay, so when you look at this roof, this is not just your ordinary roof. This is a Decra Shake HD roof. And this has a limited lifetime warranty, and it's gonna save you a ton on your insurance. All right, so the location of this home is absolutely phenomenal as well.
You're really close to the airport. Synergy is right down the road. You're also next to MCH Medical and Fitness Center, and there's also a few dining and shopping centers over at Parks Legado.
All right, so as you can see, this home has a lot of beautiful amenities and so many features that it's hard to just name just one. This home is ready to go, so if you're looking for a private tour, you know who to call. I'm Jacoby Kendrick with eXp Realty, and I appreciate you stopping by.